National Center for Persons with Disabilities is a private non-profit organization that promotes equalization for persons with disabilities through training, information, research, and consultative services. Persons with disabilities are usually faced with limitations in their earning capacity due to inadequate opportunity and inequality in the job force. Train persons with disabilities to use 3D technology and plastic waste material to produce useful products. This in turn will create opportunities for persons with disabilities for social and economic growth through business ventures. Equaling of opportunities for persons with disabilities to show their ability and provide opportunity in the job market or become self-employed. 2. The impact of plastic waste on the environment in our country. To raise awareness of inequality in the workforce against persons with disabilities, as well as amend society's view of the talent and skills of persons with disabilities. To also provide training and transfer of knowledge of a new skill through which opportunities for sustainable employment, as well as the creation of small businesses, can extend.